Picture your inbox at midnight. A lead just replied on WhatsApp and nobody's awake to answer. Every hour you wait, that lead goes cold. With Vyroq's AI Auto-Replier, you never miss that window again. Head to AI, open the Bots tab and hit New Bot. Under Basics, name it something like Support Triage and pick its AI profile, the brain that owns its voice and system prompt. Now wire up where it listens. Under Channels and Accounts, check the connected accounts it should answer on: WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, or flip on email, which needs no account at all. Selecting an account instantly enables its channel. Next, define its scope. Add a rule: whole account, tagged contacts, specific groups, or specific leads, and the bot only replies where you've told it to. Stack several bots with different priority numbers so a specialist bot wins over a generalist one when their scopes overlap. Then set the guardrails. Daily reply cap per sender, daily cap to stop spam loops, and what happens outside business hours. Skip, queue, or reply anyway. Hit save and flip. Bot is enabled. Watch the active badge appear, its daily cap bar tick up with every reply sent. And pause at any time without losing a single setting. That's an AI teammate who never sleeps. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.